Hey there, go-getter. Ready to transform your financial future? Let's talk about passive income. It's the golden ticket to financial freedom that everyone's buzzing about. Passive income is money you earn without actively working for it. Imagine making money while you sleep or vacation. That's the power of passive income. And the best part, anyone can do it. Today, I'm introducing you to a game changer in passive income. Onpassive. Let's dive in and discover how you can make your money work for you. But first, please remember to like, subscribe, and comment below. I would appreciate it. Thanks. All right, let's talk about Onpassive, a game changer in the world of online earning. It's a complete ecosystem designed to revolutionize how we earn money online, making it more accessible and efficient. Imagine a platform combining cutting-edge AI technology with powerful digital marketing tools, all in one comprehensive package. Onpassive isn't just about making money. It's about creating a sustainable, scalable business that can grow with you. You don't need special skills or technical knowledge to get started. The platform is designed to be user-friendly and intuitive. Onpassive brings everything you need under one roof, from email marketing to website building, making it a one-stop solution for all your business needs. When you join Onpassive, you become part of a global network of entrepreneurs, all working towards success. Ready to discover how Onpassive can transform your financial future? Let's dive deeper and explore the endless possibilities. Now that we've introduced Onpassive, let's dive deeper into its functionalities and see how it can revolutionize your business. Let's break down how it works step by step, so you can fully understand its potential. Onpassive leverages cutting-edge AI technology to automate and optimize every aspect of your online business operations. Think of it as your dedicated digital marketing department, working tirelessly behind the scenes to ensure your success. First, sign up and create your Onpassive account. The process is quick and user-friendly. Choose your focus area, whether it's e-commerce, affiliate marketing, or any other online business model. Onpassive's AI then creates a customized strategy tailored specifically to your business needs and goals. The AI generates targeted traffic, optimizes your marketing campaigns, and even creates engaging content for your audience. Monitor your progress through detailed analytics and make adjustments as needed to maximize your results. Onpassive provides a simple yet innovative way to build and grow your passive income streams, ensuring long-term success and financial freedom. Section 4. Unlocking the benefits of Onpassive. In this section, we will explore the numerous advantages that Onpassive brings to the table. Onpassive offers the potential for true passive income, allowing you to earn money without constant effort. Once set up, the AI works tirelessly to generate income for you, handling complex tasks with ease and efficiency. Imagine waking up to find you've made money while you slept. This dream can become a reality with Onpassive's advanced AI technology. Onpassive also offers unparalleled scalability, allowing your business to grow exponentially. The AI handles increased volume without breaking a sweat, ensuring smooth operations even as your business expands. This means you can grow your income without increasing your workload, making it easier to achieve your financial goals. Onpassive automates time-consuming tasks, giving you time freedom to focus on what truly matters in your life. Even if you're new to online business, Onpassive provides a platform to learn and grow, offering tutorials and resources to help you succeed. With the supportive Onpassive community, you'll never feel alone on your journey. Connect with like-minded individuals and share your experiences for mutual growth and success. Section 5. Your step-by-step guide to Onpassive success. Step 1. Sign up for an Onpassive account. The sign-up process is straightforward and user-friendly. Step 2. Familiarize yourself with the Onpassive dashboard. Explore, watch tutorial videos, and get comfortable with the interface. Step 3. Define your goals. Write down your goals and keep them visible. Step 4. Start small and scale up. Choose one area to focus on initially, then expand as you see results. Be patient, stay consistent, and trust the process. Section 6. Join the Onpassive revolution. Your time is now. We've explored what Onpassive is, how it works, and its benefits. Now it's time for action. The Onpassive revolution is happening right now. Will you watch from the sidelines or seize this opportunity? By joining Onpassive, you're opening yourself up to a world of possibilities. The Onpassive community is ready to welcome you. Join the Onpassive revolution today and start building the future you've always dreamed of. For more information about Onpassive and how you too can join, please go to the description below. Thank you and have an awesome day.